Every day, billions of dollars in global commerce depend on equipment most people never see. Pressure equipment is the invisible backbone of the modern industrial economy. From petrochemical reactors to steam boilers, these systems are mission-critical. The global market is projected to reach $35 billion by 2033. It encompasses any system operating under pressure: boilers, heat exchangers, and storage tanks. Boilers alone represent nearly 60% of the market. The oil and gas sector drives enormous demand, with over $200 billion being invested in energy infrastructure through 2025. Recent expansions by Linde in hydrogen transport and Indian Oil Corporation in refinery capacity demonstrate the rapid scaling of these assets. Impact extends far beyond energy. Pharmaceuticals and food processing rely on high-pressure systems for sterilization and safety. AstraZeneca is committing $50 billion to facilities, while high-pressure processing is revolutionizing food safety, a market worth $500 million. With such stakes, safety is paramount. The 2025 edition of the ASME Boiler and Pressure Vessel Code has just been released. Compliance is driving the adoption of high-integrity pressure protection systems, known as HIPS, and next-generation safety technology. The market is hitting nearly $10 billion by 2035. Asia-Pacific is leading this growth, projected to capture 35% of the share. Pressure equipment isn't just hardware. It's a strategic economic asset that enables the energy and manufacturing systems we rely on. Remember these 5 points. It's the global industrial backbone. It's mission-critical for energy and pharma. The 2025 ASME codes are now effective. The market is growing globally, and it is a strategic investment asset. Visit peakacademy.com for more technical insights. Comment safety below to receive our latest compliance checklist. See you in the next one.